Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix lock screen message not showing on Mac. So if you have already turned on the option to show message on your Mac lock screen, but nothing appear when you are on lock screen, don't worry. A lot of people think that simply turning on the toggle is enough. However, that's only the part of setup. The toggle will only enables the feature, but you also need to add a message that you want to appear on the lock screen. If you skip that step, your Mac won't have anything to show on the lock screen, even though the feature is enabled. So if you are facing this issue, here's how to fix it. First, click on the Apple logo and then choose System Settings. Now here in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to lock screen. Now as you can see here, I have enabled the toggle right to show message when logged, but if you click on this set button, I haven't set any custom message to appear on the lock screen. That's why even after enabling the feature, I haven't see anything on the lock screen. So if the box is empty in your Mac as well, then first you need to click on the set button and then type the message you would like to display. For example, you can enter your name, phone number, email address, or any custom message you want others to see on the lock screen. Once you enter your message, click on OK to save it. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.